Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to be talking about how to change date and time format in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. First, we need to have a set of data that contains a date. Currently, we have a list of holidays available in the United States of America, and the dates listed for the whole year of 2023. If ever we have the urge to change what our dates would look like, well, worry no more because we can easily change that. All we have to do is select the cells that we need to change. For example, I'd like to change this holiday. I'll select all of the data under the holiday column, right-click, go to Format Cells, and then there we go. The Format Cells window would show right up. Now, I can choose to be more detailed if ever I want to include which day of the week the specific date would occur. Or I could just be simplistic by including 2 units of time, which is the month and the day. I could even be more detailed to include the actual time of the specific day. Though, let's try to be more simplistic for this example. Let's try to turn everything into numbers. This looks better. The 3/14/2012 format. As you can see on the top, this is what our data would look like once we choose a specific format. Once we press OK, everything within the cell would be changed. And there we have it. This is how we change the date and time format in Microsoft Excel.